What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage. And bonus video today, we're going to talk about the bad design that BMW made with these lights. See the burn marks here? We're going to clean this up a little bit. I'm going to scuff it up, get my toolbox out, put my tools in here because we need to do that anyway. And yeah, this one here, boy, this one's going to be interesting. We're going to see if we can get this back into place, but I got to take the whole taillight assembly out to get this in. You're supposed to be able to reach in, and I'm going to show you guys why that's not possible. Actually, let's just go ahead and do that now. Let me let's bust into the intro. All right, guys, so first things first, you got to open this, which gets you access to the, let me make sure the DVD for the, what you call it is here. Yeah, we're going to pop in the DVD for the map system so I can use the maps if I so feel free fit. So this little tab opens and it gets you into the taillight assembly area. It's not a bad design. But you'll see now that I have the light on, where I need to be is right there, right? And you would think it's simple enough, right? You can see the tabs on either side. Look at the melted part there, though, or the little bit of a burn part from where this, unfortunately, starts to get hot. And you can see where the plastic is like discolored and stuff from the heat on it. Now they make a better designed bulb now. Now supposedly, and this bulb is actually fine. It just literally rattled itself out. Now, supposedly you're supposed to be able to reach in here. And of course now, because I'm filming, I'll be able to reach in and it will perfectly snap into place and I will be pissed. Because I came here to get my tools to disassemble the taillight so I could put it back together. But I'm gonna try this here, and we're gonna see. Yeah, you can even see if you look at the plastic, the edge there. I don't even know if it comes in to focus really well. You can see it's kind of melted around that. Yeah, it keeps focusing on my finger. Let's see if we can get this to go back in. So which one of these was the melted one? Okay, that's the melted one. So I line it up correctly. Son of a bitch. Son of a bitch. It went right in. I'm done, man. I'm fucking done. See, I fought with this for like 30 minutes and I couldn't get it in. I know. Make your jokes now. Let me look and see if the tail light is fixed now. I'd probably not, but let's hit the hazard lights. I think that'll work, right? Oh no, this one actually has turn signal. Shit. All right, how about parking lights? Okay, so it's actually, damn, so the 7 has lights for each one. All right, let me see if I hit the brakes. And of course, this has that system where you have to literally have the key in and on for the brake lights to work, right? Figures. Here we go. Let's see. Doesn't look like it is. All right, I'm gonna have to put you guys back here so I can see if it actually is working. So for this trick, I'm gonna put you guys, let me turn the lights off. I'm gonna put you guys down here on the ground, facing up towards the car, so I can see if my brakes actually work. Let's review that beautiful beam footage. Okay, so I definitely do have a bulb out. What I'm gonna try to do is I'll get my tools and stuff out, put them in the car, and we'll go from there. But looks like I do have a tail light out, and I will do my best to try to address it. All right, so I got my tools and stuff in the car now. Now, what I want to find out is now the bulb I put in is a two-phase bulb that usually does turn signals and brakes, and I'm going to see if it'll work for this application right now. Something tells me it will, but it's going to be too bright. Oh boy. Well, that'll work. The bulb I used, which is not what goes in it, but it will get me by until tomorrow. This is the type of bulb that should go in it. This is what I put in it. It fit, and it lined right up. So I know it's lighting up both filaments. I'm not stupid. I know that one might be a little bit brighter than that side, but I'm gonna switch to LEDs, and this will just get me by for now. So it is what it is. Well, at least it's not like, you know, something major. It's just a bulb, thankfully. But, you know, everybody hates that dreaded BMW chime. When you hear that bing and you see that triangle on newer ones that I drive, you know something bad happened. Something broke. But luckily for us, on this one, it wasn't anything major. I'm gonna have to close this up now, nice and easy. Oh. There we go. Like a soft closed trunk. Still got to switch my plate and stuff, which I'll do here in a little bit. But that's going to do it, guys. Oh, it's remarkably cooler from right there to right here. So anyways, guys, that's going to do it for this video. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below and what you guys think about the BMW so far. Look at that sexy motherfucker, man. Woo! Oh man, that was awesome. No computer, nothing. Everything is manual. I love it. Except the lights, the self-leveling lights. That's cool. Watch it. Hold on, let me show y'all. In case y'all missed it. See them? They level themselves out. They also move with the steering wheel, which is awesome. Ah, boy, boy, boy. I got my clip to clip one of my phones on the vent. We're good. And now we can roll. Mercedes versus BMW. You don't say. Deuces. This is where I need to input that Cali Boy Kev. 1, 2, 3, go.